I'm going to show you what I got in the mail. I got this UniWigs, UniWigs Unique Design Just For You wigs. This is a brown short wig with bangs. If you guys would like to see how I put it on, then just keep on watching. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to part my hair in 2 sections. Again, I'm not a pro at this, so I don't know really like how to really do this because I've never put on a wig besides like Halloween. So I'm just going to braid my hair because I do have long hair. I think for shorter hair it's much easier, but for me, I'm just braiding it however you, just whatever your preference is. And since I do have like a lot of hair, it's kind of like difficult. I did it one way yesterday and it actually looked really good, but I'm just going to try to braid it today and see. So what I'm going to do is get bobby pins. You're going to need bobby pins. And just bobby pin it down. You want your hair as flat as possible because when you put on the wig, you don't want it to be bumpy. Again, I'm not a pro at this. I don't really know how to do this, so I'm just wigging it out. Just kidding. I'm just winging it. I'm just trying to make it as flat as possible. And then just wrap it around. Again, you're going to need bobby pins. So their wigs are human hair, so you can curl them. I think you can dye them, but I think you can only dye the black ones, I want to say. So the wig they sent me, it looks like this. It comes like in like a net. So when I'm done with it, I just rewrap it. So it comes with a little like sock looking kind of thing. So I'll go from the bottom and then bring it to the top. It also has like straps to make it tighter on your head if you need it. So I'm just gonna go in and see it I'm just gonna go in and fix it. I like how it shows like the scalp, like as if it was like your real hair. See, like your scalp. So okay. So this is the wig. I just like play with it here and there because I'm not really, like I said, I'm not really a pro, so this is kind of like hard for me, but it does look real on me. So I'm just going to press everything in. So I'm going to go in and curl the bangs. Straighten the bangs. So I'm just using this straightener. This is just by Conair. So I'm going to be looking down this way because I need to straighten the bang. So I'm just going to straighten the hair. It did come straightened, but I just kind of curled it. So this is how I styled and applied my wig. It's super quick and super easy for me. I really like it. This feels like super, well, it is human hair, so it feels so good. Again, this wig is by UniWigs. You can find them on Instagram